Hey guys, and welcome to a new video where I'll be working on my Fiesta. So today I've got a side skirts install video for you guys. Now I'm not going to do like a whole how-to and time lapse because this is going to take way too long, and I don't want to let you guys sit through that because it's something that you've probably seen before if you've watched the TRC kit upgrade on a Red Edition video on my channel. So yeah, basically what I'm going to do is show you guys the product, let you know my thoughts on it and bits of the install because I think that's a bit more manageable and it's not going to take too long. Plus, if I do a time lapse, I'm probably going to be down there a while trying to fit it, trying to get everything lined up as it's just me by myself. So it's just easier if I show you guys the finished product and bits of the install. So yeah, I've already got the car jacked up, got the product laying beside it. Obviously these products are looking really good. They've got the little side flicks at the end. They match my front splitter. Again, made by CMComposites. They're made out of metal as well, so that's another quality bonus there. But yeah, car's jacked up. It's all ready to go, and I'll jump into the install.
Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Keep my head up when I act, head up, that's a fact. Never looking back, I'ma keep myself on track. Keep my head up, staying strong, always moving on. Feel I don't belong, tell my thoughts to move along. Push myself to be the best.
Okay guys, update on the install. It's getting there. I don't know if you guys can see, but I've actually got the side skirts on. Now, obviously I've got rid of most of me doing this because it's a little bit of a pain by yourself, and having to film and then do everything else is just a lot to do. So I've lined up the side skirt with the back of the wheel arch, and then at the front it goes just about to this plastic trim. Underneath it's held on with bolts. You do get these bolts and some washers and some nuts with the splitter kit to fix these on. Basically, when I put the bolt in, it goes into the splitter. The underside of it, I've got a washer and a nut. I'm holding it in place with a 10mm wrench, and then I'm using the drill to tighten it up. But yeah, it's coming along nicely. This one's almost done. So when I've done this one, I'll go around and do the other one, and then I'll show you guys what it looks like. I just want to get this done. Yeah, but these are looking really good, and they are a quality item. I think they go well with the front splitter. Yeah, it's looking really good. Obviously it'll look better when it's finished, but for now, I think it's come along quite nicely. Right guys, it's done.
I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Yeah, I put out all this art, it's my only medicine. Yeah, everything I do, I'm just being genuine. Yeah, I'm sick of being screwed, feel my own adrenaline. Yeah, I do just what I do, and I hope you let me in, yeah.
Right, so even though this has been a bit short and not a lot's gone on, hope you like the look of my new side skirts. I'm obviously loving them. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. There's going to be some good install videos coming up soon, and also a lot of shows. So if you do want to see my car, there's a list on Instagram of all the shows that I know I'm going to this year. I might be adding a couple more, obviously, as the year goes on, because you hear about new stuff. So yeah, thanks for watching. See you in the next video. As always, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and leave me a comment. Let me know what you guys think, because I love hearing your feedback. Anyway, other than that, see you in the next video. I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Yeah, I put out all this art, it's my only medicine. Yeah, everything I do, I'm just being genuine. Yeah, I'm sick of being screwed, feel my own adrenaline. Yeah, I do just what I do, and I hope you let me in, yeah.